Okay, so if you need to block people from the website pages for any reason, you might not want your kids to visit certain places or people in the office, you have to go to Notepad, right click it to run as administrator, open up your Notepad, then go to File, Open, Local Disk, Windows, System32. There you go, System32. Then find drivers, etc. All files. It's the host file you want, but I was going to show you that YouTube isn't working. Is working. So it's working fine. So I'm going to open up hosts. It's going to give you this notebook opened, Notepad open as administrator. So you got this 127.0.0.1. Put that at the start. One gap, and then www.youtube.com or whatever site you want to block. Then save it. Save the file. You can shut that down now. And then the next time you open the browser, it won't do it in that browser, but the next time you open the browser, you should not be able to get onto YouTube. See, no internet.